The floodgates will open just 2 days from now when Kansas City Public Schools loses its accreditation. Today, a judge made student transfers possible. Beth Vaughn joins us now with more.
The 6 school districts that filed the lawsuit tell us already 1,600 families have inquired about transferring out of Kansas City Public Schools.
Just kind of gotten used to rolling with it.
Evan Paris is a proud alum of Paseo Academy.
I kind of saw it fall all apart there just year after year.
But things have changed since graduation in 1993.
You have this big hole in the city where you have an unaccredited school district that, it's not going to be able to bring the students in and to generate the best and brightest of tomorrow.
The 6 school districts unhappy with the KCPS transfer plan will be back in court on January 12th.
Nobody wins in this situation.
Leaving questions in the minds of taxpayers all over the metro.
None of us want to pay more for anything these days.
Carlin's Landa plans to send her child to private school next year, so she's looking at tuition on top of taxes. Landa tells me she's worried Lee Summit Resources won't cover the added students.
As long as the kids that are coming in from Kansas City are paying their way to be here, I have no problem at all with it.
Up to this point, Kansas City Public Schools has only offered to pay $3,700 in tuition per student, a fraction of what the tuition costs in neighboring districts. In response to continued questions over transfers, Interim Superintendent Dr. Steve Green wrote, quote, "The entire process represents uncharted waters. No precedent exists for this process," vowing to comply with state law, all while settling on a plan that works for Kansas City Public Schools. Neighboring districts like Raytown and Independence were hoping the judge would rule in favor of a temporary restraining order against transfers. It would have bought those districts added time to plan for an influx of students. Beth Vaughn, NBC Action News.
And this is an issue that will not go away anytime soon. We have statements from some of the school districts involved on our website right now. It's at NBCActionNews.com. Look under education.